Okay, today I'm going to grind some wheat grain to make some bread. So what we have here is 2 cups of wheat grain, so you can see there. It's really cheap to buy this in bulk, usually from a whole foods shop, that sort of thing. And we're going to grind it today in the Optimum 9900. Now, you should never grind more than 2 cups of grain in this blender, because we want to ensure that everything is ground really finely, and that in doing so we do it as quickly as possible. We don't want it to grind for more than a minute because we don't want to heat up the grains. Okay, so literally just put it in there. Let's have a look here. Okay, we'll put the lid on. I am not left-handed, so it's harder to do there. I probably won't need the tamper, but just in case. Okay, so we're going to switch it to on. And then up. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. Right, so you can see the wheat grain has been completely ground down to a fine flour. It's very fine to the touch. It is a little bit warm. So yes, therefore definitely not go for longer than a minute. But you can see the texture that you get there. So I would let this, I'm actually a fairly experienced bread baker. I make bread most days for my family. So I'm going to bake some bread with this afternoon. I would of course let the flour cool down first, before I started baking with it, because you don't want to activate the yeast too early in the process. But yeah, it comes out fantastically in the Optimum 9900, so give it a go, it's great.